Yes, we are now filming the spastic entertainer, Frede. He sure knows how to shake butts, but that's not why we're here. We're here to film great entertainment of Chinese. No, that's not. That's Chinese. You know, I'm very good English speaker.
Yes, I can hear that.
Because I both wrong. I do know how to film this object. He's going to jump over with help from his bare hands. Yes, it's a bench or something like that. He now tells me he's fat because his weight is higher than Schwarzenegger, and that's why he doesn't say you have been terminated. The camera can now move to the music, to the beat of the music. Okay, we're now ready to film an accident. I mean, not accident. I mean, attempt to beat world records in smartness. How do you zoom on this freaking thing? You can't zoom. Maybe you can zoom right here, or maybe you can zoom right here. No, then you turn on night vision. Too bright. Okay, Mrs. Frede. Now it's your turn to jump over this obstacle. Are you coming? Please don't. We don't have film enough to watch you masturbate. We're now gonna take a close up. He's running. He's jumping. Woo! Close up with the filming movie star.
I'm gonna do this out now.
That's what you call Jabba the Hutt move.
Okay, you can start the video now.
No, I won't. Because you're a movie star.
I have swallowed the whole telephone.
Okay, do that.
No.